best help desk software, and free help desk software. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video, I will be giving you the best help desk software as of 2022. So with no further ado, let's get started. And as you can see here, I highly recommend labbydesk.com. So before we really dive into this, I will just give you a little bit of background. So you may be wondering, what is help desk? Help desk is a technology system that helps customer service teams intake, manage, organize, automate, respond to, and report on customers' questions or issues. For example, you have a shop. So there is a need for a help desk. So your customers who have a problem on their products or whatsoever problem related to your store, they could go to your help desk. And here, help desks technically include a ticketing system, an inbox, a routing or assignment system for reps, and a reporting dashboard. Now, before that, there is two types of help desk software. There is a free but limited, and there is also free that is unlimited. Here on free but limited, as what you could think of, there are limited functionality or there are limited features for that website or for that software. So it's either you could only get 10 tickets per month, or you could only have one mailbox, and many more. While on the other hand, the free unlimited, there is a free open source options, and you will be needing skills on coding and downloading the software and basically configuring the whole system. Now, here Labidesk. So Labidesk is a help center software with multiple support channels. So it is knowledge base, shared email, inbox, ticketing system, help widget, chat, and it helps manage incoming requests, onboarding, and communication with the customer. So here, as you can see, this is how Labidesk looks like. And as you can see here, you could actually run it for free. But here are the features. So there is a shared inbox ticketing or ticketing system. So team inbox for emails and support ticket. There are a lot of mailboxes, so it gives you more mailboxes. So all you have to do is to add your mailboxes or create one with Labidesk. Now, next is here you could see there is a live chat where you could add chat support with Labi Chat. So what does live chat mean? For example, your online shop, and for your customers to contact you, they just have to chat you, and there is a live chat between you and your customer. And there is a community forum where you could create community of your product backers or your supporters, automation rules, responders. For example, you are closed around 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., then there could add autoresponders, and basically everything here. Now, if you are wondering, is it for free? Since you don't need programming this, so I highly recommend this one to those who do not have a programming skills, coding skills, or configuring skills. Then this is a good choice for you. This is a very good help desk software. So as you can see here, you could start your 14-day free trial. So I recommend you to start for free and just play around the system. And if you're comfortable, since you are given 14 days, and within that 14 days, and if you think that this Labidesk is good, then you could avail their plan. Now here there is a monthly plan and a yearly plan. Now, if you are planning to use Labidesk for the long run for your business, then I recommend you to get the yearly, where you could save up to 20%. Now, if you click on monthly, there is three types of plan. There is starter, growth, and enterprise. So for starter, with this $128, and as you can see here, it's kind of expensive, but the features for this are very nice. So for starter, you could have 5 agents with one project's domains, and you could have 25,000 users. And here, for regarding the shared inbox or the ticketing system, you could have a 3 mailboxes and shared inbox to everyone who has an access to this, or your whole team could access to the inbox, so they could see the messages of the customer. There is also a live chat and a mini CRM. And for the health center portal, it is knowledge base, help widget, and so on and so forth. And here on growth, you could have 20 members or 20 agents, one project. You could have 20 agents, one project domains, and 50,000 track users. So for the shared inbox here, it has more benefits than the starter plan. Here it has 20 mailboxes and shared inbox, live chat. Here it is omni-channel shared inbox to Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, SMS, and it is e-commerce friendly for Shopify, Magento, BigCommerce, and user segmentation, and basically all of this. And there is additional, it could actually give reports or analytics about your engagement to the application or to the software. And here in the enterprise, you will see if you have a huge amount of agents or like more than 20 agents, then you could avail the enterprise, and basically you have unlimited track users, and basically everything is unlimited: the mailboxes, the live chat, the omni-channel shared inbox for Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Twitter, and basically all of that. And there is a additional, as I have said, it could give reports or analytics about your system. It could remove Labino branding, integrated to Zapier, and custom, and you could integrate it. The integration is customizable. So basically, that is it. Again, you could avail Labidesk for free, but it's only for 14 days. And as soon as you get comfortable with it and you think that it is a go, then you could avail this one. And I recommend you to avail the yearly if you are planning to use Labidesk for the long run. And basically, that is it. And that is the best help desk software. So I hope this video is beneficial to you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below with the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family as well as other creators so that you may help them as well. And I hope this was useful, and please leave a comment below if there is anything else you'd want to contribute, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.